G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is April 24, 2023. This is the New Zealand US dollar update. On all time frames, the daily, the 4 hourly and the hourly, we're in a downswing on our CCI 1500 with the moving average 400 in a downswing. So only short positions to be taken at this point. So let's drill down on each of these. First off, on the daily, I've drawn this key support at 60.84 and a resistance at 65.38. And it's been in that range for some time, and it's now broken through to the downside on the moving average of the CCI, which is our key indicator to track trend. I've drawn this Fibonacci retracement on that range between that support and resistance area. You'll notice it went as high, the wick on that particular day went as high as the 61%, and then it bounced to the downside, and that's always our key area of potential reversal or trend continuation. In this case, it was a trend continuation. It bounced off that and continued to the downside, so it's currently in that downtrend. On the 4 hour time frame, I've also drawn this descending diagonal trend line between those highs. So if it does retrace to the upside, that's something to look out for in terms of a potential resistance area. But again, by that stage, we'll see a break above this moving average if that happens. So at the moment, we're still in this bearish outlook on the 4 hour. On the hourly, likewise, I've got the same support resistance areas if I zoom out, and also that descending trend line. One thing I will do as well as the CCI moving average to the downside, in terms of a trading idea, take only short trades only. I put in these fractals, and you would potentially, if you want to trade this, you would look at only candles breaking below the fractal, such as that point. There'd be another entry there, and that point there. Now again, only trade when the candle breaks out. Don't trade it when it's already broken out. Like, in other words, you wouldn't go short at that point unless you really want to risk and do a risky trade, but only take it when it breaks out of the fractal initially. And I'll leave it up to you in terms of where you want to exit. I normally take small percentage gains or small monetary gains. I try to avoid taking extended periods of a trade. I try to take little incremental profits where I can, and you can use very tight moving average changes, etc. So to understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, if you get caught out with the price going against you, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and support us more on Patreon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in a future video.